Hey guys, it's Kayla coming to you live, and I just really felt the need to talk about a really serious problem in our society. It's really an epidemic, if you ask me. So, as you know, chips are a common snack. We all like to eat, we all like to share, but there's a real problem revolving around this. Everyone knows that chip bag is half full with chips, half with, I guess you say, air. I haven't really been an advocate for this cause, but I should have gotten behind this a long time ago, but my opinion really changed this weekend when something really traumatic happened to me, and I guess I could say it changed me as a person. I just want to let you guys all know so it never happens to you.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Sorry, I'm still a little traumatized by what happened over the weekend, but the first thought that came to mind after the incident was, does the chip company Frito-Lay correctly advertise the net weight of each of their bag of chips? And naturally, as any girl would do, I decided to do a one sample T test to prove whether or not they were correctly advertising their brands of chips.
Okay, so to start off, this is a slide showing the reported net weight of chip bags selected. From this slide, we concluded that the mean reported net weight of chips was 27.22 grams, and you will see how we randomly selected these bags of chips in an upcoming slide. But we had a big variety. We had Funyuns, Doritos, Lay's, and all of these chips are produced by the company Frito-Lay. So here is the state part of our 4-step plan for a one sample t-test. If the chip company, Frito-Lay, correctly advertises the net weight of chips in each bag, then we would expect the actual mean net weight of the chips to be 27.22 grams. We want to test H null, mean equals 27.22 grams, versus H alternative, mean does not equal 27.22 grams, where the mean is the true mean net weight in grams of chips in each bag distributed by Frito-Lay. So for our plan part, we had to check 3 conditions. The first condition was a 10% condition. So 30, which was our sample size, times 10 equals 300. There are at least 300 bags of chips in the population, which in our case was Frito-Lay chip bags from combo packs in Vons stores around San Diego. Our second condition, the large counts condition, was satisfied by having 30 bags of chips that we used to conduct our study. So the random condition was a little harder to satisfy. We started by determining location. First, we assigned each Vons in the San Diego County area a unique double-digit number. We then used a random number generator to choose 2 unique double-digit numbers that were assigned to a certain shop. The shops that corresponded to those 2 numbers were chosen to be the 2 locations we would go to buy chips. Then at each location, we gave each 20 pack of Frito-Lay chips on display a unique double-digit number. We then used a random number generator to choose 1 double-digit number that was assigned to a certain pack of chips. The pack that corresponded to that number was chosen to be the bag we would buy. Finally, we took out all 40 individual chip bags. We assigned each chip bag a unique double-digit number. We then used a random number generator to choose 30 unique double-digit numbers that were assigned to a certain bag of chips. The chip bags that corresponded to the numbers chosen would be the bags we would use for the sample. Okay, so as you saw in that video, we had to use a little cup to put the chips in to measure on our scale. We also measured the weight in pounds because that gave us a more detailed estimate on the scale we were using. The far right column is our conversions that we use to get from pounds to grams, and also accounting for the weight of the cup. In the middle column, we have the actual weight of chips in each bag in grams, and in the left column, we have what type of chips they were in the bag.
So after analyzing the data, we got a t-value of 1.024 and we got a p-value of 0.3141. So because the p-value of 0.3141 is greater than the alpha significance level of 0.05, we failed to reject Kayla's null hypothesis. We do not have convincing evidence that the chip company Frito-Lay advertises something different from the net weight that they say they do on the bag.